Hi, Tyler with Caster Concepts. Thought I'd check in with another question that we hear about, and that's, can you match the casters I have in front of me or cross over another manufacturer's caster? So let's dig into that. Really, there's a couple factors that you need to consider. What specific dimensions are important and possibly what's not. So sometimes, for example, we'll hear of casters that get welded on the bottom of a cart. Now that's fine, but say our top plate's an inch off or a quarter of an inch here or there. If it's going to get welded, it shouldn't be an important measurement, so really anything will work for you. Another thing will be is if the axle bolt size or the overall height really aren't important to you, and you can change within, I don't know, a half inch or a quarter inch. Those are things that you should let us know, because possibly it's a standard caster for us. If you go up a quarter inch or change the top plate size a little bit, so make sure you let your rep know about that. Another question I guess that goes into this is we'll hear of legacy projects. So you'll have a cart in front of you and it calls out a caster, but you're not able to get any information on it, but you've got the caster physically there in front of you. That's kind of a last-ditch effort, but we do have the engineering capabilities to actually reverse engineer that. So what we've done in the past is we'll have customers actually ship us the caster. We'll tear it apart, we'll grab all the dimensions, from the bearing sizes to the guts of the actual swivel section to the wheel, inspect everything, make sure we're completely comfortable with what goes into it. And then we'll actually engineer the same caster just made with Caster Concepts and move forward and be able to get you a new part number. Now this is something that doesn't happen as often, but it's definitely something that we're able to do. Other thing that's important is if you've got a caster that you're looking to cross over that's another manufacturer, possibly you're having a hard time getting it delivered, or the caster itself is just wearing out quickly over time and you're having to reorder it over and over again, maybe the better question is, should I be using a different caster altogether? So if you have any more questions like that or looking for more information, stay tuned for more and subscribe if you like this content. Thanks.